welcome back to my channel. This is Texture Talk and my name is Mala. If you're not subscribed, if you're new, go ahead, subscribe, tune in tomorrow for more videos. But yeah, as you guys can see by the title, we are doing a hot oil treatment today, and I am so excited. My hair feels so soft, it's so moisturized. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys at the end. Before I start any hot oil treatment, I like to spray my hair with water. I don't know why, you guys, I just love when I put so much water in my hair for some reason. I don't know why. I wipe my hair with my fingers. I still want to use my wash and go, so I'm just gonna put this in my roots, and I'll also bring it up all the way down to the ends of my hairs, all around my head, and then I'm gonna speed this too, and then I'll come back when it's like almost done or something. Work it in, and then sometimes I might go down if I feel like I part my hair too big, and then ooh, yes, put it and make sure it gets everywhere. And then I like to take some in my hands and put it all over my hair. Look at my little afro. I think I'm gonna comb it out, and then I'll be back at the end. I'm doing big chunks, you guys, because I don't want to like spend too much time doing my hair. And then when I'm done, you guys, I like to leave my hair in this bag for like 10 minutes.
A few moments later.
See how soft it is? Like I can run my comb to it without any pain. Yeah, it's really soft and everything. So I'm going to turn around so you guys can see the back, the side view, and the back. So yeah, guys, that's how it looks like after I took off the bag, and then I comb it out again, and then that's like this my little fro right here. I put a part, and then let me see if I put it like a fro. So that's my little fro. That's my little fro, you guys. But yeah, I'm really excited at how it turned out. My hair is so soft, and I'm ready to style it. So tune in tomorrow to see how I style it for today. Today is Wednesday, and I hope the styling goes well, because as you guys can see, it's all brushed out. There's no like there's no curls, no wash and go to save me. So hopefully the style goes well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.